How to download and install Ronin Wallet crypto app in mobile. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app on your mobile and open it. Tap on this search icon. Type Ronin Wallet and press enter. This is the right application with over 1 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, Ronin Wallet is a secure cryptocurrency wallet designed for managing digital assets on the Ronin blockchain. It enables users to store, send, and receive tokens safely while supporting blockchain gaming and decentralized applications. Ronin Wallet is known for its user-friendly interface, fast transactions, and seamless integration with popular blockchain games. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.